guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video over flaxseed gel. So this is something I've recently started incorporating into my hair routine. I had made it one other time and I think I made it too watery, so I am going to go ahead and remake it for you guys and show you how I do it. I just found this recipe online, so I think I got it off of naturallycurly.com. Some of the benefits of flaxseed gel is that it leaves the hair super soft and moisturized and shiny. It is also cost effective. You can reuse the seeds multiple times. Flaxseed gel is rich in omega-3s and it has great hold and curl definition without flaking. The gel also mixes well with other products and it is fast drying and good for all hair types. I will go ahead and show you how I made the flaxseed gel, and then I will also show you how I applied it and styled today. So first off, we'll talk about what you'll need. You'll need a container with a lid, measuring cup, flax seeds unroasted, a medium-sized pan, essential oils for smell, and a stocking. On to the steps. First off, you'll take 2 cups of water and pour it into your medium-sized pan. Next, go ahead and measure out 1/3 cup of your flax seeds. Pour your flax seeds into your medium-sized pan with your water. I turned my stove on to about medium heat. Make sure to stir periodically so nothing gets stuck to the bottom or burns. Now you'll wait as your water and your flax seeds try to reach a boil. Once this reaches a boil, you'll notice a foamy layer form on the top that also has a mucousy texture. Once you see this, go ahead and turn your burner to low for just a minute or two. Go ahead and prepare your container by putting your stocking inside so you can pour in the flax seeds and gel. Be careful because this mixture is very hot. Now I took some tongs and worked to try and squeeze out some of the gel into my container. This part probably took me the longest. Next, I ended up using my hands, but please do not use your hands unless you are absolutely sure that it is cool enough to touch and you will not get any burns. Lastly, I took a different set of tongs and tried to squeeze out any excess gel that was left in the stocking. As you can see, I ended up creating a little bit of a hole, so I was finished. Lastly, I added in a few drops of cardamom essential oil and lavender essential oil for smell. This gel will last me about 1 to 2 weeks in the fridge. Okay guys, I have my flaxseed gel all made. I went ahead and washed and conditioned my hair. I put in my Naughty Leave-In and my Bounce Me Curl Balm. So I have my flaxseed gel here. I'm going to go ahead and apply it. So I'm going to take a little bit out. I'm not sure exactly how much I'll need. Let's start with about that much. I don't know. Got a glob on the floor there. Okay. So it's very elastic, very stretchy. I'm just going to distribute my product with my Denman brush. For styling, I decided to finger coil my hair. If you would like to see a full video on that, you can check out my updated curly hair routine video. This is a technique that I still utilize every once in a while just because of how much I love the way it looks, and my curls always look good when I do this. Here I included a little clip of it slowed down so you can really see which way I am turning the finger coils. For this, I honestly just follow whichever direction my curl wants to go in that area. So I don't just do it willy-nilly, I have a reason to whatever way I'm turning the finger coils. Here I am scrunching any excess product out and to help activate my curls. Next, you'll see me use my Diva towel to scrunch out my excess water and product. I did go ahead and diffuse to dry my hair, but I did not include that in here. If you'd like to see that, you can check out some of my other routine videos where you can see how I diffuse. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing how I made my flaxseed gel. If you'd like to see more videos just like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!